to everyone. Jai Swaminarayan. Today we will discuss about adjustment. There is number 10 adjustments. There is given provision for bad debts or doubtful debts. It means the provision made for future bad debts from current year's profit is called provision for bad debts. It means ये प्रोविजन किसके लिए बनाया जाता है? फ्यूचर में हमें जो बैड डेप्ट यानी हमारे जो रिसीवर है यानी हमारे जो डेप्टर्स है वो हमें फ्यूचर में बहुत थोड़ी रकम नहीं दे सकते या नहीं आएगी, उसके अनुसंधान में हम जो प्रोविजंस करते हैं उसे प्रोविजन फॉर बैड डेब्ट्स कहते हैं. वो बैड डेब्ट्स द प्रोविजन इज मेड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस. ये हम कितना वो हमारे पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस से डिसाइड करते हैं. देन प्रोविजन फॉर बैड डेब्ट्स इन दिस प्रोविजन अगेंस्ट द प्रोबेबल लॉस. ये लॉस नहीं है, प्रोबेबल लॉस है. इन फ्यूचर मे बी देयर इज मेक अ लॉस और नॉट ऑल्सो, बट in present we assure about this in future probable loss how many, then we provisions of for this. Okay friends, so how to solve this adjustment? Friends, when the given in adjustments provision for bad debts 10%, that time what is the general entry? So there is general entries. There is general entry, profit loss account debit to provisions for bad debts account. Suppose अपने डेप्टर्स 1 lakhs है और 10% हमें प्रोविजन ऑफ बैड डेब्ट्स रखना है, तो कितनी फिगर आएगी इसकी? 10,000. सो हियर वी राइट डाउन 10,000. ओके, देन what effect in our financial account? What is the effect? So here which two accounts create here? First one is profit loss account and second one is provision for bad debts, but they include here. And what is the effect in our financial balance? Yeah, our balance sheet. First we see in our profit loss account, profit loss account. This side is called debit side and this side is called credit side. See here, profit loss account debit. So we write down on debit side. What we write? Write down this provisions for bad debts. We write down here provision for bad debts and write down figure here. Then after what we can write in final balance sheet, there is, suppose this is our final balance sheet. This side is called capital or liabilities. Okay, and this side is called assets. Okay, so this side is generally called credit side and this side called debit side. So here debtors given already in our example, debtors 1 lakh and 10% provision for bad debts. So deducted from our debtors how many? 10%. So 10% provision for bad debts, and how many write down here? 10,000. So how many remaining? 90,000. So friends, when we provisions for bad debts, that time this is the general entry, profit loss account debit to provision for bad debts, and then how to give an effect in our financial statement. There is profit loss account debit side we write down, and that's a debit effect, and credit effect given in our final balance sheet, and there is debtors deducted from the debtors. Okay friends, now adjustment number 11, provision for discount on debtors, यानी हम जो डेप्टर्स को डिस्काउंट देते हैं उस पर भी हम प्रोविजन रखते हैं. If after credit sale to customers, they make payments in due time, then cash discount is given to them. It means हम जो डेप्टर्स को क्रेडिट पे सेल करते हैं तो डेप्टर्स हमें कस्टमर हमें टाइमली अपनी पेमेंट कर दे, उसके लिए जो हम डिस्काउंट देते हैं उसे ट्रेड डिस्काउंट कहते हैं, और उसके लिए जो प्रोविज़न हम मेक करते हैं या रखते हैं उसे रिजर्व फॉर डिस्काउंट ऑन डेप्टर्स कहते हैं. यानी कि द कस्टमर्स आर टू बी गिवन कैश डिस्काउंट इन फ्यूचर एंड द प्रोविजन इज मेड फॉर द सेम. इट मीन्स उसी के लिए हम जो प्रोविजन करते हैं उसे विच इज कॉल्ड डिस्काउंट रिजर्व ऑन डेप्टर्स. इस एडजस्टमेंट की एडजस्टमेंट एंट्री क्या होती है? ये प्रिविजन्स हम प्रॉफिट और लॉस अकाउंट से क्रिएट करते हैं. एडजस्टमेंट एंट्री प्रॉफिट लॉस अकाउंट डेबिट टू प्रोविजन फॉर डिस्काउंट ऑन डेप्टर्स अकाउंट. उसकी फिगर हम यहाँ पे डेबिट और क्रेडिट राइट करेंगे. यानी कि इसकी एडजस्टमेंट एंट्री होती है प्रॉफिट लॉस अकाउंट डेबिट टू प्रोविजन फॉर डिस्काउंट ऑन डेप्टर्स अकाउंट. And what is the effect in our final account या in our final statement? There is first profit account effect and final balance sheet effect there. So first we see in profit loss account effect. Okay. Then here profit loss account where we write debit side. What we write? So provision for discount on debtors and write down their figure. And then what is the effect in our balance sheet? This is our balance sheet. Friends, what we can say? This side says capital and liabilities, and it is credit side said. And this side says asset side, and this called debit side also. And we know that debtor write down on debit side, on asset side debtors already given there. And what is the how many discount, provision discount on debtors? Suppose deduct them debtors, provision for discount on debtors, and write down here figure. then deduct them and getting answer how many debtors are remaining. Okay friends, so when we provisions for discount on debtors, that time this is the general entry. And what is the general entry? Profit loss account debit to provision for discount on debtors, and its debit effect given on profit loss account and its credit effect given in final balance sheet, deduct from our debtors. Okay. Okay, now let's we see example related to these bad debts reserve and discount reserve for on debtors. Okay, so see here one example I have written here. The following balance are taken from the trial balance of Meena as on 31st March 2015. Friends, here debtors given 2 lakhs, bad debts here given 1 minute. Debtors 2 lakhs, bad debts 10,000, bad debts reserve 5,000, discount reserve on debtors 400, discounts allowed 600, and adjustment given also there is. First adjustment, write off rupees 6,000 as a bad debts from debtors. Second adjustment is provision for doubtful debts at 5% is to be made on debtors. And third adjustment, provision for discount reserve on debtors at 10% is to be made. Friends, here when we given in our example bad debts reserve, trial bad debts and adjustment bad debts, adjustment trial bad debt reserve and adjustment. In adjustments also given there, that time we make a format in our profit loss account. There is the format is bad debts plus bad debt reserve minus discount reserve on bad debts. It means here first and last in this format and in this pattern, trial balance bad debts or bad debts reserve comes, and in between two bad debts and bad debts reserve, these are given in our adjustment. Same way, in discount allowed also we making there one pattern and one format there. There is discount reserve on debtors. Then discounts allowed already given in our trial balance. Discount reserve on debtors, these are given in, this given is our adjustment, and minus discount reserve on debtors, these are given in our adjustment, in our trial balance. Let's start our example. First, which information given? Debtors. Where we write debtors, write in our final balance sheet there is debtors 2 lakhs. Then second is bad debts 10,000. See here friends, bad debts in trial balance. So where we write? Yes, we write in our profit loss account bad debts, trial balance bad debts 10,000. Okay. Then which number given here? Here. આ દેખાય બહુ લાઈટ પડે છે. Then given here bad debts reserve 5,000. So where we write bad debt reserve? Here 5,000. Then discount reserve on debtors. Where we write discount reserve on debtors, we write down here 400. Then discount allowance. We write in our profit loss account discount allowance. Then we see our adjustment. First adjustment here given write off 6,000 as a bad debt from the debtors. It means we given two effect in our one effect in our profit loss account and second effect in our balance sheet. So here bad debts how many? 6,000 and we write down here 6,000. Then we deduct from our debtors bad debt 6,000. Then cut it 2 lakhs minus 6,000 and its answer 1,94,000. Then second adjustment given there provision for doubtful debts at 5% is to be made on debtors. It means these remaining debtors we use this count by like this 1,94,000 multiplied by how many percentage here given? 5%. So its answer 9,700 and this is the cut from our remaining debtors and second figure we write down where 9,700 it is the provision for doubtful bad debts and there is write down debtors 9,700. Okay friends, then the third provision for discount reserve on debtors at 10% is to be made. These discounts we count from our debtors. It means 1,94,000 minus bad debts reserve. Then we have to our answer 1,84,300. Again we count from this discount reserve on debtors 10%. So our answer is 1,843 and deduct from our remaining debtors. So we write down here on and second one we write down in our profit loss account there is figure 1,843. See here our adjustments is finished. Then we will doing some figure out here. Addition of this 0, 0, 7, 9 and 6, 5 carry over 1. So total 25,700 cut from this figure and how many remain? So 20,700 and here add these two figures 3, 4, 6 and 8, 14 carry over 1, 2 then cut it here 2043 cut this figure and here our answer is last cut from remaining debtors. Then we write down here 1,82,457. So do you understand how to write this or not? How to write in our effect in our profit loss account or in our balance sheet. Okay, must be keeping in mind your this format bad debts plus bad debts plus bad debts reserve plus discount on debts reserve on debtors. Okay, because of these are format we use in our long example. Okay, and this format also discount allowance format also keep in your mind and it's remember for easy way like first and last comes from trial balance and between twos are come from our adjustments. Okay, then here also first and last comes from trial balance and between comes from our adjustments. Okay friends.